Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your January love and work forecast for Pisces. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Pisces, this reading is for you. If you know a Pisces, you can cross watch it, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Join us on Instagram, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. Yes, you can book your own 2022 personal reading, friends. They are still on, so you can book yours from the website. And I had a very busy day, friends, so overlook my nail paint smudging and everything. We were out to visit some friends, family actually. So it's been a busy last few days, but if you ordered the readings, your personal readings will be reaching you today. And yes, you can book yours from the website, friends. Make sure to book yours because this is going to be a very important year. So let's see, Pisces, how this year will be for you. And the cold wave is still continuing here. So yes, it's nice, it's beautiful. And Happy New Year, Pisces. Let's see the theme of the month of January for Pisces. The star. Oh my God, Pisces. This is beautiful. So definitely, Pisces, this is the month of wishes coming true for you. This is your month where your wishes are coming true. Whatever you want is going to happen for you. I also feel this is a month of not just your wishes coming true. This is a month where your creativity will be very high. Jupiter will also be in Pisces, and the new full moon is also in Cancer. So there is a lot of water energy through this January. Spirituality. Yes, Pisces, you will be very creative. All your wishes can come true. This is a time of manifestations for you, Pisces. So make sure to wish only what you want because you will definitely achieve it. Page of Swords, yes, I also feel this month is also about clarity. You will get the clarity you need. I think some of you Pisces are definitely confused about some things, or you are waiting for certain communications or breakthroughs in your life, and they are going to come in this month. So some of you could be actually advancing in your studies, in your education. Also, some of you could be getting ready for some sort of like, I'm gonna break some goals. I do feel you have strong goals for this month of January, and you are going to, beat them out because you're very strong, Pisces. You're very strong. Seven of Pentacles. The only thing you need to keep in mind, Pisces, is this month is you need to keep your patience. A little bit of patience. I know you hate the P word because I know Pisces begins with a P, but you don't want the patience word again. Nobody wants that. Oh, but Pisces, you definitely need to keep your patience, a little bit of patience, because your dreams are coming true, and one by one all your wishes will come true in a synchronistic manner, one after the other. Everything is falling into place for you. So this month, by the end of this month, things will be very different in your life. Then you start the month of January, and be clear what you want. You will definitely achieve it. Another thing I'm feeling is a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important for you, and it could be a child also. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, a child, a young brother, sister also, which is important. So yes, let's see your love life, Pisces. Ooh, interesting. So, how are you doing, friends? What are your New Year resolutions? Mine is to get back, get back to fitness because, oh my God, last 2 years, the one year was okay, but this one was like everybody's lethargic, and I'm like, even I have added into that list, like I would be the last person to be the lethargic person, but yeah, like 2 years have been so slow, and we were all sitting at home. So I would want to get fit. What is your take? What is your take? What is your New Year resolution? Also, I don't know where time flies these days. There is less time always, and much to do every day. Do you feel the same? Tell me, Pisces. I think you feel the same. You're busy people, Pisces, isn't it? Ooh, your cards are jumping out, Pisces. So let's see. All right. So, Pisces, The first week of January, Pisces, is going to be you will be taking a break from love. That's for sure. You're not focusing on love. You're focusing on resting, relaxing, taking a chill pill. Ten of Wands. You had been through a lot of difficulties, Pisces. Your love life has been topsy turvy. There has been emotional turbulence. There has been a lot of ups and downs, and you are feeling definitely the pressure of it in the first week of January. So you are like, I want to relax. I don't want to stress out on things. So that definitely you will have the time to relax and enjoy January, especially the first week. I also feel if you are married, you may have some problems with, not problems, but duties regarding family, parents, in laws. But I also feel some of you may actually be recovering from something like some health issue. So you are taking a break from love and focusing on your health. Six of Cups. Yes, I do feel a person from your past is coming back. Someone who left you, someone who was, a very pressurized situation. It was someone who left you, they are coming back. If you are single, there is a new person coming back, and I feel they should meet you in the first week, but you may not be open to dating in the first week. So chances are you may meet this person later also, but there is a person who will message you like, hey, happy new year. So yeah, there is somebody coming for you, and if you are married, definitely you are taking a break from love, from responsibilities. There's too much on your plate, friends. Just like me, you feel like life is running out, and you need a break. So you are taking a break. Lucky you, Pisces. Well done. I need to take my break also. I don't know. God knows when that will happen. God knows. Someone also said, you guys are so sweet. Someone also, one of you said you also in the comments, few days back that, you know, you post every day. When do you rest? So that was really sweet of you. So thank you for noticing that. So let's see. Oh, the second week is devil. Oh my god. So passions are really, really high, Pisces, in the second week of January. Passions are super high. You will feel very excited. You will also feel very passionate. You could be dealing with someone who is going through anxiety, depression, fear, or you could be dealing with a person or a situation in your love life which is causing you a little bit of like, oh my god, what will happen? Oh my god, what will happen? Some of you could also be trying to have a baby or something like that in the second week of January. I also feel something from November is coming back in the second week of January. I don't know what happened in November for you. You can check out the November readings, but something from November is related to you in this second week of January. I also feel in this week, your person is very committed to you. They are super obsessed about you, and also some past issues may reactivate. Two of Swords. Yes, you might have to take certain decisions in your love life, but you may feel like things are confusing. You don't know what to do, where to go, which. Is this the right person, or you should choose somebody else? So there are decisions on your mind. Ace of Cups. Yes, there is going to be a new love offer, a new start of love, but this new love, you're not sure whether to accept it, to reject this offer, to take it, what to do. So there is confusion, but I feel it is, I told you, right, somebody is going to message you in the first week, but since you are taking a break or maybe resting, so you might see the message in the second week, or in the second week there is a chance of things moving forward. So let's see the third week of January. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person might be important in the third week of January. I also feel you could be traveling or taking some time to travel, or just going out for a park or a date in a park, or just having some fun away from all this, all whatever is happening in your life, problems, worries. You will be taking a romantic break. The Hanged Man, yes. There are certain issues in your love life, like maybe you are trying to get married, but your person's family is not saying yes, or you are not sure whether this person is the right person. So do not hurry in taking a decision, Pisces. There is a reason why things are getting delayed. And Nine of Pentacles, value yourself, keep yourself first, Pisces, because that is the important thing. You could also be dealing with a person who is in long distance with you, so that may happen. You could also be traveling yourself, so that energy is also there. But the third week, you need to put yourself first, your needs first. And I feel this whole month family will be really draining you out, Pisces. Your family or your person's family, There is a lot of that energy where other people's needs are coming in your way. So you need to put your needs first in the third week. Let's see the final week of January. Wow. The final week of January, someone who ghosted you, left you, or someone who was scared and not committing to you, they will commit to you in the final week. The Four of Cups, yes, happiness is coming towards you. I also feel whatever was missing from your life, that will be revealed and shown to you and given to you in the final week of January. Five of Swords, oh my God. There will be certain jealousy around your love life, so yes, expect that. Certain people will be jealous of you, Pisces, but I think you deserve this love. You deserve the love, you deserve the success. And some of you could also be getting, I also feel, Pisces, at the end of January, you may end up choosing your work and career above love. And that's perfectly fine. It may not agree with some people in your life, but well done, especially if you are a woman. Well done, because I think it's the right decision. Some of you may end up choosing work or career rather than love this month, and it might actually be a good decision for you. I don't know. You'll tell me. Like I'm sure this is going to resonate with you all. So yes, you will tell me how this worked out, and let's see some advice for you. Rest and rejuvenate. Yes, you need to take some rest, friends. Yes, it is very important for you to take a break, a vacation, or a romantic holiday. Fertility. Oh yes, chances of pregnancy are very high. Also, whatever you are praying for is going to happen. It's already happening, so just keep praying and just keep taking action. And the universe, yes, the universe is helping you out. Number 21 might be important for you. I also feel number 21, the 21st of January will be very, very, very important for you. I also feel the universe is helping you to bring the love that you desire or you are seeking. If you are already married, it is helping you to have a baby, expand your family, or bring more love and joy in your life. So focus on that and take some time to rest also, Pisces. So let's see your work and career. Ooh, Nine of Cups. All right, so definitely, friends, your work and career, you're very, very strong, Pisces. Look at this. You're very strong. You're moving forward. You're taking charge of your work and career. And you don't, this is a month you will not settle for less. This is a month you will not take a no for your answer. You will not be, you are going after things. You are going after things, Pisces. You are definitely having a lot of success, and you will be taking action for your work and career. Even if you are a student, you are taking action, you are taking charge. I also feel a celebration with work related or education related success is coming your way. A celebration is coming your way. Your wishes are definitely going to come true. And I do see money coming your way because this is a green card. So money is, I see also the treasure chest, money is coming your way. Third eye chakra, yes, your creativity will be very high. So your creativity will be extremely high, Pisces, this month. So go after your creativity. Listen to your intuition. Listen, write those ideas down, and go after your dreams and wishes. Solitude, yeah, I do feel, Pisces, there is one little problem that you may face in your work and career is that you want to do things alone. You don't want to be, supported. You don't want to do things people as the way other people are doing, so you want to do things your way. And also you will prefer working alone rather than in teamwork or something like that. And if you are a student, working solo study will make you actually very, very successful. And I also feel you will be able to achieve a lot of divine inspiration, ideas, messages working alone. And another thing is, yes, money is coming your way. Prosperity begins. A lot of money, a lot of excitement, a lot of passion, or a new start in your career, or a renewed, passionate connection with your work and career is going to happen for you, Pisces. So well done. What a month for you, friends. Absolutely brilliant. Let's see some advice for our beautiful Pisces. And honesty and communication, opportunity and change. So yeah, I feel this month communications will be a problem for you, especially what other people are communicating, what they are not communicating. So take time, to be honest in with yourself. And I think you want honesty from everybody around you, but people are not always so honest. So please keep that in mind. Opportunity and change. Yes, you will have an opportunity to change your life this month, and I do see some of you will actually end up choosing your career, and you're gonna love it. I think you're gonna be having a scintillating career ahead. Vulnerability and freedom. Yes, you are very sensitive, but at the same time, you are very, very powerful, Pisces. So, yes, let me just pull your other cards. All right, let's see. Okay. Let's see. Claw, be careful, do not take risk. Yeah, I do feel that you should, risk will not be going good for you. Oh my god, November, I told you November is important. Look at that, November is important. Whew. Goosebump, friends. What happened in November? My god, Pisces. Time to go out and have some fun. Yes, friends, I do feel it's the month you should do something that you really, really enjoy. I think you have been trying to make everybody happy, but this is the month you should be happy. And you deserve it, Pisces. Basket, recognition, reward, and merit. Yes. Broken wishbone, wish will not be granted. I think some of the wishes which do not come true this month are actually in your favor. Boot, increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. Boot, yeah. I do feel you will be working very, very hard, friends. This month you'll be working very hard. Dogs, getting together with friends. Yeah, you will love to spend your time with friends. Some of you could be actually attracting new friends. May and November both are important. Problems will be resolved. Yes, I do feel messages are coming your way. Inkpot is like someone writing you a message, and you'll be playing a different role. So woohoo! So engagement, weddings, getting promoted. Yes, it's all there for you, Pisces. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot and join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C. Singh. Bye bye.